So I'm back again and today's video, this is me using market cipher on the 1 minute time frame, right? Demonstrating how I would have been trading on a 1 minute time frame. One thing you have to realize is if I'm on a 1 minute time frame, means my oscillators, these are my oscillators, they are moving every single minute. So there is going to be enough movement. Yeah, so like these oscillators are going to move a lot. If I'm using a 1 minute time frame, these oscillators are going to move a lot. So it's like, how would I scalp if I'm using a 1 minute time frame? We just recorded a green dot here, sorry, a red dot here, which is a bearish signal, and momentum seems to be coming down. Now you realize that RSI is heading down, momentum is also heading down, VWAP is heading down, but we don't know the direction of money flow as to whether it will go downwards into the positive or negative. But if we have three influential oscillators, it means it will rise the one. You understand? So you can realize that price printed a red X here, and we are falling down hugely. Not hugely, but we are going down. Momentum is also entering into the negative. This is how you scalp literally on lower time frames using market cipher. This is real time empirical data. It just gives you real time insight. So if I was going to scalp, let me move the drawings first. If I was going to scalp, I would have entered let's say a short from this side, knowing that my momentum is heading into the negative territories. My VWAP is also heading into the negative territories, and hold on for a while. You can see that this candle is dropping red. We don't know how far we'll go, but let's see and let's wait on momentum. You can realize momentum entered into the negative territories. This is a positive, this is the buy, and this is the negative, this is a selling. So I'll probably have started shorting from this side. Short. This is me using market cipher on a 1 minute time frame. See, price is falling as well. It's falling. These candles are falling. So as soon as we enter the negative territories, so let's see the distance. Let me show you something. Momentum is in the negative, right? You can see money is also entering the negative. This is a live 1 minute time frame, a typical market cipher behavior. Momentum is in the negative, money is also entering into the negative. So what happens to price? We could realize that price is falling. This is falling. There is no way price is going up because momentum is heading in the negative. You see, we printed another red. It looks green, but let's see what happens. Momentum, let's see the direction of momentum here right now. It seems it's surging back, but let's wait for a while and see how it works. Price seems to be heading back upwards, but is it enough? On a 1 minute time frame, let's hold on for a while and let's see something. I for the purpose of the video, I would have entered a short here, but maybe I would have probably waited for momentum to come down here, cross this oversold territories, and see if we are going upward and long. If I'm not comfortable with that long, I probably hold on and let's say we cross over this 60 line and short. You know, so like you have to time yourself very well and see the direction clearly before you enter a trade. You don't have to rush a trade. And again, momentum printed. You can realize that we printed another red candle here. You see the candle is forming red. Momentum is heading down into the negative territories. Money flow is also heading down into negative territories. We tried going up, it couldn't work because both of our influential oscillators are in the negative. Let me remove the drawings. This is typical market cipher for you on a lower time frame. And let's see what happens to price. Price seems to be coming down. And so it's like once you know the direction, price is affected by the very direction of your oscillators. Momentum has a huge impact, so is money. Right now, money is getting out of the asset. You can see the direction of money flow. It's getting out of the asset. We were in a positive. It was green. Green means go buy. You understand? Right now is in the red, so price evidently will fall. Momentum is also falling down here. As to whether how far it will go, we can't tell. But if you have probably entered a shot from this side, and you're not being greedy, you will probably enjoy a shot from this side to this side. But if you confident about your entry, you can hold on, or if you're not confident, you will probably exit it. But it looks to me that we are still going down because again we have money in the red, sorry, money in the negative, and momentum also in the negative. So it's like this is a win-win trade for us. This is a typical market cipher for you. You don't have to see what happens to price. It's dropping still. So it's like real-time empirical data, real-time trading. I mean, simple entries, and you don't really have to rush. You don't really have to rush on this on lower time frame using market cipher. You just have to set your trades or entries very well, and when you hit your profit or your target, take it. You don't have to, like I said, you don't have to rush with market cipher. Keep it simple. So it is like if I enter the shot from this side again, this side, down, 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 down. You understand? Easy money, easy money. Money is out from the positive territories into the negative territories. So it's momentum. So price is really affected. So you guys see me talking about market cipher all the time, but this is a typical 1 minute scalping strategy, and market cipher makes it so easy for you to use. So I'm probably going to wait and see where price falls to. Well, I think we're still going down. Money is still leaving the assets, and price or the candle seems to be heading downward. So this is just a basic, simple strategy. Yeah, I'm using market cipher. It's easy to understand. You don't have to rush it, and keep it simple, people. Keep it simple. So until then, have a nice time, people.